Welcome to the estates of Frankford in Dallas, the perfect place for students who want stylish, compact living. Whether you're into private one-bedroom apartments or prefer the company and shared two-bedroom setups, all the rooms are plush and carpeted, complete with premium features such as walk-in closets, granite countertops, smartly designed bathrooms, and a private balcony. Weekends here are a Texas dream with a refreshing lap pool to soak up the sun, indoor and outdoor basketball courts, a stylish on-site business center and resident clubhouse. The fitness fanatics will love the well-equipped 24-hour fitness center, while Ramada with picnic tables and barbecue will help you relax and refresh. Located just moments away from the University of Texas at Dallas and the Eric Johnson School of Engineering and Computer Science, it's the perfect choice for students. Grocery shopping is a breeze with Central Market nearby, and weekends are a blast with adventures at the Urban Air Trampoline and Adventure Park. Not to mention mouth-watering patio of the day burgers at Skyrocket Burger. At the estates on Frankford, you'll create lasting memories and friendships in a building that promises nothing less. Secure your dreamy life today by booking your stay at amberstudent.com.